Hello. So, if you are struggling to get all the words of a song in and you want to practice just rhythm and singing, fully recommend it. Do what some people call Z chord, and with that, what I would suggest you do is put your fingers so that they're loosely over the strings like this, and then it will make that kind of noise. And say, for example, if you were doing an easy rhythm like the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Or when the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. The reason I suggest taking the rhythm and singing away from the chord changes and to practice separately is because when you're looking at just doing the rhythm and singing, for my money, it's a little bit like patting your head and rubbing your tummy. And did you notice I started to pat my head and then rub my tummy? And it's a similar thing. Get the rhythm going, then add the voice. Now, when you're practicing with Z chord, then don't worry whether you're in the right key or, you're singing is pitched correctly. That's not the aim of this game. It's just to be able to do the rhythm and the singing. Whereas when you come to play the chords and do the rhythm and the singing, then obviously you do want to be in check. And one way to do that is to play a couple of the chords. So, for example, if it were C, A minor, F, G, play that around so that you can pitch and you can sort of get it in your ear, and then your voice will follow. I hope that helps.